Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today we will learn how you can check if the person is inside country and his visa cancelled. And if you want to check the person is outside country, you can check also by this way. But you cannot check that if the person is his visa cancelled or not. So in that case you have to watch my file validity video. I will paste the link in description box, so kindly stay with me. And if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. So before you start, you have to visit to the smart eye services ica.gov.ae. And so guys, you have to click on the public services. When you click the public service, you will see there are smart services. There are a lot of services. In my previous video I already show you these things, but today what we are going to check, that is there is a way that you can check if the person visa cancelled and if the person is outside country. So you have to go to investigation, permit and living issue and start the service. Click on start the service. So guys, when you click on start the service, you will see select module, residency or visa or visit visa. So if you want to check the person is on visit visa or the residency, you can click as per the system. And if you want to check by the file number or the passport number, this all I show in my previous videos. The file validity you can learn from there. So viewers, I am going to check by the UAE unified number. You can check by the file number also, and by the passport number also. So I am going to check for the residency. I have one of the unified number. Let's start. So viewers, you have to enter the correct data. So when you enter the correct data, you will see the green bar over here. It should be green, otherwise the system will not give you exact result. So we will click on the search button and see what's the system give us. So viewers, when you search, there is one message coming, message code 172. Sorry, the residency file of the sponsored is not cancelled. You cannot proceed with this request. So it means the person visa is not cancelled. The person is inside country. This is I am going to teach you. So by this message you have to check. I have one more. So if you want to check more, you have to refresh the browser, otherwise the system will not give you the exact result. And I will type one more. So guys, this is also for the residency. I will click on search, and the similar way you see the message code 176. The previous code was 172. Sorry, the sponsored is outside the country. You cannot proceed with the request. So it means the person is outside country, but you cannot say the person visa cancelled. If you want to check the file validity, the person visa cancelled, it's closed or permanent closed, you have to check my video over the file validity. Then you have to know the person visa cancelled or not. This is the short way to check if the person is inside and his visa cancelled or not, because sometime by the ICA, if you check the file validity, the system is showing the active and the person visa already cancelled. So it means that is not the totally correct. Sometimes the system is giving the error. So if you are going to check the file validity, you have to check by this way to match the result. So let's check one more. Always refresh the browser before you start search. The again system will give the, for this one, the code 172. Sorry, the residency file the sponsor is not cancelled. So this is 172 code. So it means the person is inside country, the person is not outside. So guys, similarly I have one more. Refresh the browser and enter the data correctly and search. So similarly you will receive a message code 176. Sorry, the sponsor is outside the country, you cannot proceed with the request. So it means the code you are receiving, there are different codes. 176 is for the outside country, and 172 the person was inside and his visa is not cancelled. So these two codes are very important if you want to check and if you want to learn for the coding system. We have to follow this one. So guys, you can check by yourself if you are on visit visa or you are residency visa. Hopefully this short video is informative for you. I request you to subscribe and share my channel with your friends. Thank you for watching.